Although you might not understand what Dogecoin is and how it operates and what its potential is, but you would certainly know how it started. That's right, Dogecoin was created over a meme as a joke, but we still can't deny its potential. We already know some cases where people became millionaires by investing in Dogecoin. In this video, we'll be discussing why and how Dogecoin is helping people become millionaires and whether or not you should invest in it. So make sure to stick until the end. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we'll never ask you for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scam and the spam comments in the comment section. Starting off, let's do a background check on Dogecoin. Back in 2013, when Bitcoin was receiving much hype, Dogecoin was created as a joke to poke fun at the numerous wild speculations about the crypto world. It's a peer-to-peer open source cryptocurrency considered an altcoin. In 2017, it gained a huge following, which increased its value by a huge bit. Although Dogecoin lost much of its value back in 2018, it still has a core of followers. Selling points of Dogecoin. As it was created over a meme, the founders decided to keep it that way. They marketed Dogecoin as a fun version of the hyped Bitcoin. Even though they said fun, it had quite some qualities. Its script technology and unlimited supply made it a more fast, more adaptable, and more consumer-friendly version of Bitcoin. One of the main selling points of Dogecoin is that its blockchain is based on Litecoin. It also uses the same proof-of-work technology. How Dogecoin will make millionaires. Now, let's talk about Dogecoin as a potential investment for you. Here are the main reasons why people should be investing in Dogecoin. Number 1, Dogecoin is famous. By being famous, I mean that it has a huge following. The bigger the following, the better the chances for an upward road. It has been endorsed by some of the most influential people, such as Snoop Dogg. The investors are taking a risk by investing in Dogecoin, being a speculative asset. But it doesn't change the fact that Dogecoin has given these investors a return of almost 9,000%. Number 2, Elon Musk and Dogecoin. Elon Musk is one of the biggest supporters of Dogecoin. He tweeted about the potential of Dogecoin, which caused its price to rise by a bit. Back in 2021, he tweeted that he was working alongside the developers of Dogecoin to bring improvement in the coin transaction efficiency. He even ran a poll on Instagram asking the customers if he should make Dogecoin a payment alternative. After his comment on Dogecoin, its price increased by 7.9%, and its price increased up to 9% when Musk said that he will keep supporting and buying Dogecoin. Number 3, Dogecoin is great for crypto novices. With the kind of volatility Dogecoin has, many investors might hesitate before investing in it. It skyrockets one instant and plummets the other. However, this immense volatility also makes it a potential investment for those who are new in this field, because when you hold such a coin in the long term, you understand the crypto game. The crypto world is based on a firm belief that crypto is the future of tech. The ups and downs are a part of it, and they need to understand it. If they can handle this, they can handle the crypto world. Number 4, Dogecoin's market positioning is unique. Dogecoin has some interesting and intriguing features that make its marketing quite unique. One of them is its relation with Litecoin. Its mining model and its inflationary status are all the things that many crypto enthusiasts look for in a project. Dogecoin is very much like Bitcoin. It is also based on the proof-of-work model. However, with all of the rising concerns about the environmental impact of mining cryptocurrencies, it is expected that Dogecoin will convert to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. A basic difference between both is that in the proof-of-stake model, the users validate the transactions. However, in the proof-of-work consensus, complex computational issues must be solved in order to validate the transactions. Even now, Dogecoin is way better at energy conservation than Bitcoin, as it uses less than 2% of energy as compared to Bitcoin. Moreover, the script algorithm is also one of the main reasons why many people are interested in Dogecoin. The same one is used to mine Litecoin. Let's do some math. Around 5 billion Dogecoin tokens are created every year. The current supply of Doge is around 131.5 billion, so the inflation rate is around 3.8% this year. The inflation rate is going to decrease with time. We come to the conclusion that Dogecoin has potential, but the risk is also huge. If the investors take out their coins, or if they move to the next famous cryptocurrency, the prices will plummet in an instant. If you want to check out the price prediction video, we've already made that one. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this.